with the United States Postal Service delivering a staggering 23.8 million packages daily and UPS close behind at 24.3 million, the last-mile delivery market is under intense scrutiny. Amid this, Beyond seized the opportunity to showcase its innovative Pelkin electric light commercial vehicle at CES, designed specifically for last-mile deliveries. The Pelkin boasts a futuristic front end paired with a conventional rear box, concealing a groundbreaking feature, the Smart Dispenser. Hidden within the box are rotating shelves, constituting the Smart Dispenser. Beyond elucidates that technicians scan each package's address upon loading it onto a shelf. As the delivery vehicle approaches the designated address, the shelves automatically rotate, preparing the package for swift delivery upon arrival. While the concept might seem subtle, Beyond emphasizes the significance by stating that this technology eliminates the need for stacking and sorting, saving at least 15 seconds per package. With an average of 250 packages per day, this innovation translates into over an hour of time savings. Beyond claims that the technology pays for itself within 6 months of use due to the substantial increase in driver productivity. The Pelkin is set to launch later this year, offering battery options with 43 kWh and 54 kWh capacities. The larger battery promises an impressive range of up to 185 miles, 298 kilometers. Under the hood, an electric motor generates 116 horsepower and 189 lb-ft of torque, propelling the Pelkin to a top speed of 75 miles per hour. Noteworthy features include a payload capacity ranging from 2,720 to 2,910 pounds. Beyond also claims a 30 to 80% charge can be achieved in approximately 30 minutes using a DC fast charger, adding to the efficiency of this electric last-mile delivery vehicle.